Hello everyone, my name is Olga. Welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, one of my subscribers sent me a big parcel from my Amazon wishlist with stockings and tights. And today I decided to make a video about tights or stockings, you can vote. Say again, stockings, that's fine. Stockings it is. This is my parcel, and now we are going to talk about brand Falke. Falke is a very well-known German brand. It's actually is my favorite, and if you want to send me something from my Amazon list, Falke is a great choice. Right now I'm wearing Falke stockings, as you see, beautiful. We are going to open this package. These are Seidenglatt 15 denier. I'm going to open it and we will see what's inside. These are black, silky, very shiny, smooth as well. Can you see it? With very deep floral top. I'm going to try them on. What I noticed about the silicone, it's very secure. I'm going to put it on. I'm putting my shoes on. Very nice feelings when I'll touch my stockings. Very soft, and I feel extremely nice quality. The top is very deep. I don't think it's for short skirts, but if you want to show off, if you have a split in your dress or in your skirts, maybe. My verdict is these are wonderful quality for every day or for nights out. In my parcel I got more Falke. They are tights. What do you think about Falke? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.